The International Telecommunication Union allocates call sign prefixes for radio and television stations of all types. They also form the basis for, but do not exactly match, aircraft registration identifiers. These prefixes are agreed upon internationally, and are a form of country code. A call sign can be any number of letters and numerals, but each country must only use call signs that begin with the characters allocated for use in that country. A few countries do not fully comply with these rules. Australian broadcast stations officially have, but do not use, the VL prefix, and Canada uses Chile's CB for its own Canadian Broadcasting Corporation stations. This is through a special agreement with the government of Chile, which is officially assigned the CB prefix. With regard to the second and or third letters in the prefixes in the list below, if the country in question is allocated all call signs with letter Z in that position, then that country can also use call signs with the digits 0 to 9 in that position. For example, the United States is assigned CAR KZ, and therefore can also use prefixes like KW0 or K1. Many large countries in turn have internal rules on how and where specific subsets of the call signs can be used, which are not covered here. Unallocated and unavailable call sign prefixes. Unallocated. The following call sign prefixes are available for future allocation by the ITU: E8, E9, H5, J9, S4, T9 *, UN, V9, XN, YZ *, Z4, Z7, Z9, 4N *. Unavailable. Under present ITU guidelines, the following call sign prefixes shall not be allocated. They are sometimes used unofficially, such as amateur radio operators operating in a disputed territory or in a nation-state that has no official prefix. NN, X0, X1, 0X, 1X, QX. No prefixes beginning with Q are used. They may be confused with Q codes. No prefixes with the digits 1 or 0 are used. They may be confused with the letters I or O. Two-digit prefixes are not as yet considered by the ITU. Table of allocation of International Call Sign Series. Linked country codes are from ISO 3166-1. Series allocated to an international organization. Provisional allocation in accordance with No. S 19.33. Between radio communication conferences, the Secretary-General is authorized to deal with questions relating to changes in the allocation of series of call signs, on a provisional basis, and subject to confirmation by the following conference. Half-series allocation. The first country listed uses all call signs beginning with the listed prefix followed by AM, and the second country listed uses NZ.